number. The first number is y. How would you write the next consecutive number? What would that be?
Y plus 1.
Y plus 1. Good. Okay, now what we're going to do is we'd like to set up this problem on this scale. So first of all, it says the sum of two consecutive numbers, and the first one would be y, and the second one is y plus 1. So show me their sum here. What's the first consecutive number? Okay, that's the sum of two consecutive numbers. It says diminished by 10. So you have to diminish all of this by 10. Okay. Gives the same result as 2/3 of the first number. So we want 2/3 of the first number. Okay, what was the first number?
Y.
The y. So gives the same results as 2/3 of the first number increased by 7. Okay, very good, Yiska. So that is the setup for the problem. So now we have to see if we can simplify. So tell me what you would like to do.
Take away a 1 from each side.
Good.
This becomes 6.
Okay, great. Now what? Move that red one so we don't get mixed up. Okay, good.
Instead of this,
yes,
put 3 blues.
Replace the yellow block by 3 blue blocks, and now you could do that. Okay, good.
And then add 10 to each side.
Going to add a red 10 or a positive 10 to each side. Okay, so you add a red 10 to that side, that drops out. Okay, good. Okay, move that green block away so we don't get mixed up. So now we've made progress. We have a 16 value on this side. On this side we have a yellow block and a blue block. So you're going to take the yellow, replace it by 3 blue blocks. Good. So what can you tell me now from this setup? What do you see?
Each blue block is 4.
4. Okay, take the pen and over here write B for B, or write B equals 4. So each blue block is 4, and therefore what does y have to be?
12.
12. Okay, so I think now we are ready to write the answer. The two numbers, what are the two numbers if the yellow block is 12? What are the two consecutive numbers?
12 and 13.
Okay, let's write that in. Now, we have two options for doing the check. Either we go back to the original verbal problem or we go back to the original setup. Do you have a preference as to what you want to do?
No.
All right, let's try the original problem. The sum of two numbers, if the numbers are 12 and 13, what is their sum?
25.
Diminished by 10.
15.
Okay, so over here, write 15 equals.
Where?
Down here somewhere, write 15 equals. Gives the same result as 2/3 of the first number. How much is 2/3 of the first number?
8.
8 increased by 7. How much is 8 increased by 7?
15.
15. 15 equals 15. And put a check mark there. Wow, congratulations, Yiska.